Sabrina, what you learned today?
Well, I learned about family life, the penises and vaginas and all that, the girl parts, the boy parts. First talk about the girl parts, fallopian tubes, ovaries. I didn't know I had that in me. The boy parts, it was like a side view. It wasn't a color though, which I'm glad. It was like a side view of a boy's penis. And it was talking about erection. I had that in a video too. It was like, it was just like this, like hanging. But then it started standing up. And the lady told us that Miss Bladden, that the blood like rushes to it, and that there's this white milky stuff called semen that go out of it when the boy masturbates or has sexual intercourse, and then it goes back down. But when it's erect, a boy can't pee. But when it's down, a boy can pee, but it can't have semen out.
Where did you learn that from?
I learned that at school today.
Sabrina, it's Sunday. There's no school on Sunday.
I learned it in Sunday school.